Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa, electronic visa to send kids and Nevis. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify right now, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, e-visas are becoming popular with the convenience of applying and ease of traveling. Many countries are going for this system, and today in this video we are gonna see for this beautiful country. Sorry for the interruption. So on this site, what you need a valid email address and passport. Okay, yeah, definitely. So in order to begin, click on apply now. So now they're collecting your personal information. Okay, name, last name, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, nationality, marital status, and then we'll go to next. I'm gonna do that. So I filled some sample values, but when you do, put your exact value. So we are on the next screen. So now it is collecting the details of your application, number of days. So let's say I need for 30 days. Passport number, I'm gonna put a sample. Again, wow. Okay. Sample guys. Okay. And I click on next. You see page is not even refreshing, so maybe there's a single form. Occupation. Wow. So many. Just sample. Name and address of pronouns of IT. Sample guys. Home address. Oh. Sample guys. This address does not exist. Wow, still on the same page. The form is not loading, but it's changing. Wow. Purpose of visit. Do we have tourism? It should be vacation. We have leisure, shopping. So vacation I can do. So write down details. I'm just putting the same thing. Intended date of travel. So let's say want this. Full name of contact in St. Kitts. Okay. John C. Primary phone number. Email address. Wow. Of the contact. It hasn't asked my email address yet. Relation to the contact. Host. Yeah. Oh, now it's our email address. This email address does not exist, so don't send me an email. Haha. I'll make it some fancy. Okay, number of entries 1, vacation no, so next is like submit the application, pay the fee and all. So I'm not gonna do that because it's a sample video, but you got the idea. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.